cada día. Doy las gracias a esta vida.
Hello beautiful people and welcome to Bomb Kiss TV. So today's video we have another curly unit that we got installed and I am feeling fine. Okay, so today we have Alipearl hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So this curly unit, the only thing I will say is that the lace is super quality. It came pre-plucked and I bleached it, but I did not really have to. It's just something I do all the time now, honestly. I bought like a big case of bleach and I just feel like I just need to bleach every night, even if it's pre-bleached. It just makes me feel better, okay? But if you are a beginner, you did not have to do that. I did try and attempt like a widow's peak-ish. I feel like I need more practice at that, but I feel like it looks decent, honestly. So this is one of my favorite styles, the short and curly. It's giving like mature, but still sexy. I do love the actual curl pattern on here. Let me see if I can get a good one for you. So I love the curl pattern. But yeah, if you guys like the thick, full, curly, bouncy look, then this one's for you. A lot of you guys like the wig that I had on when I moved into this apartment, which is my apartment tour. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. But a lot of you guys like that wig, and this wig reminds me of that, like the full curly, bouncy thing. I love it. So yeah, super full, super full. So that's one thing I like about it. Sometimes when they're full like this, the hairline does not give, but this one still gives. Parting space, amazing. Yeah, that's really all I got for this one. I think I'm gonna work tonight. I think I'm gonna make some money tonight in this motherfucker. I think I'm gonna work tonight. I think we can make some money in this one. What y'all think? I think we got a money maker.
to go.